we decided that actually we need to submit an application on our own. You may have seen in recent weeks the law firm Riverway Law submitting an application to the British Home Secretary, Yvette Cooper, calling on the Islamic resistance movement to be removed from the list of banned terrorist organizations. Now, Cage International actually made a submission as an expert report to that application, talking about some of our cases. Now, moving on from that, we decided that actually we need to submit an application on our own, because what we're seeing inside our casework at Cage is the severe repression that comes from Section 12 of the Terrorism Act 2000, which what it does is that it makes the Islamic resistance movement a banned terrorist organization, but the consequences that flow from that designation is that it really curtails and inhibits our freedom of speech and freedom of expression. So we're seeing students, doctors, lawyers, and activists being criminalized just for trying to have an open discussion about the right of resistance, about who the Islamic resistance movement is, what are the conditions that led to that organization's existence. All of this is severely curtailed because Section 12 of the Terrorism Act 2000 is an extremely blunt instrument. And in order to actually move forward and build bridges to peace, you can only do that by having an open discussion. And the law in this country right now, it inhibits that. So this application that we're submitting today advocates on behalf of our clients to say that look at these cases, look at the ways in which their civil liberties, their freedom of expression is being severely curtailed, and you should actually change the decision about designating the Islamic resistance movement because of the negative impact that it has on freedom of expression in this country. And we think that's worthwhile because you cannot ever have a lasting peace while one side is demonized through the structure of the law itself, while everyday citizens who are trying to express their democratic right to their freedoms are curtailed from doing so. It's not right, and these banning orders should never exist in the first place.